Hello friends, a very good day to all of you and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share some products that I have purchased from Amazon. There was this great Republic Day sale going on and so many good deals were there. Every year I pick up something or the other. So whatever I needed this year, I picked up a couple of things. I always like to share with you whether it's a big gadget that I buy or a small utensil or a kitchen tool. It's always nice to share because this way we come to know about the product, and if you like it, in case you don't have it, you can also order for yourself. So let us do the unboxing now. So first let us open this one. It is actually a cooking oil spray bottle. Spray bottle, it's very useful in the kitchen. So this is 210 ml, the capacity is 210 ml, and I got it for 69% off. That's amazing. The original price was $7.99 and I only paid $2.51 for this. Don't you think it's really a nice bargain? You can use it for spraying the grilled meats, making omelets, non-stick tawa, frying your snacks. It can be used. What I like about this bottle is this spraying system. Now I'll show you the other one which I was using already. Now look at the difference. This also lasted several years, but I did not like while cooking this way it was difficult to spray. This one is more handy. You can just use it like this, And another drawback in this is refilling the bottle. It is so small that it is so difficult to pour oil unless you have a small little funnel for it. But still I used it for a couple of years. Now I thought, let me change it. When I found this one, I said this is perfect. Here the spout is large enough. You can pour oil easily into it. So it's a very handy product and the link is shared in the description box. You can order one if you like it. Here you can see the MRP is $7.99 and I paid only $2.51. Quite a deal, bargain deal I say. Now let's open the other one. This is a non-stick tawa. Medium size, which is quite handy. I use it every day in my kitchen. This is a non-stick tawa, Salford brand. It has got a cool touch handle. Handle doesn't become hot while cooking. You can handle it with bare hands. The only thing is you have to assemble it here. The screw is given, but it lasts for many years. I used it for 3 or 4 years. Now I have time to replace. I went for the same brand again because I'm very happy with this. And this one also was 44% off. I paid $7.98, whereas the original price was $1,425. And it comes with a 2-year warranty. So this is really amazing product. Quite heavy. You can use it on gas as well as induction. You can make your omelets, pancakes, fry your snacks. So many things can be done with very little oil. Now let's fix the handle. Place the handle in proper position, insert the screw and tighten it well with a screwdriver. It's easy to do it. Here we go, it's ready. So friends, I'm sharing the link of both the products, but if the sale is not on, you may have to pay a little more for them. Do check them out. And now let us start preparing something in this pan. To remove the sticker, heat the pan a little bit. And the sticker comes off very easily. Just pull it out. Now make sure you cool down the tawa very well before putting water on it. Just wash it with a normal liquid detergent. And use the yellow side of the scrubber, not the green one which is rough. Now this portion, the base can be cleaned with the green part, but right now it's very clean. When after a lot of usage it becomes oily, at that time you could scrub that. But top is always to be cleaned with the soft side of the scrubber. Just wipe it dry and it's ready for use. Spray little oil using the spray bottle. Wipe it dry with the kitchen tissue. Now we can prepare dosa or uttapam. Just spread some batter. You can put all the toppings you like. Both these products are used in our kitchen every day, morning, for breakfast, lunch or dinner. We can make lots of things using these. Now for the uttapam, I'm putting some onion, carrot, tomato, green chilies and fresh coriander leaves. With very little oil, things can be fried on this. Uttapam is ready. Even omelets. I even fry my evening snacks on this. You can fry kebabs, cutlets. Pan frying is always better with little oil. You can just fry them. Spray little oil in between to fry the other side as well. Flip it using the tongs and your evening snack is done. This multi-purpose non-stick granite tawa and the spray bottle are a must in every kitchen. I'm sure many of you already have them, but if you don't, go for them. The links are provided in the description box. You can also warm up the tortillas. In a jiffy, they are done with very little oil. If you don't like oil, you can even skip. I even fry my papads on this tawa. Just spray little oil on both sides and you get the taste of fried papad. You can enjoy fried papad this way and not frying it in the deep frying pan with a lot of oil. Thank you for watching. Check out these other unboxing videos as well if you have not seen them earlier. Bye bye.